Hello, in this video I will show you how to pay for Paramount Plus. Now it's a very easy process. So open your browser and open Paramount. Now log into your account. After that, just simply go inside your account by choosing this option. Now once you're inside your account section page, you'll have an option of subscription and billing. So just simply come over here and you will have the option of subscribe now or change plan. If you have a plan, it will show you change plan. And if you haven't taken any plans yet, it will tell you subscribe now. Just choose this option and then you will have two options right over here. So you have to choose this pack right over here or this one right over here. Now you will have an option of monthly and annually. So you can see the prices right over here. So after choosing the plan that you would like, click on the select plan option right over here. So after that, all you have to do is just simply complete the payment processing over here. So you can choose any type of card, as you can see right over here, or you can also use your PayPal to complete the payment process. It's totally easy and you will even get the first week free, as you can see right over here. So just simply complete the payment process and then just click on confirm and you will be good to go. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.